guys, oh my gosh, let me catch my breath. Okay, we just watched the Korea versus Portugal game. That was so tense, but that waiting period after they won, deadly. I don't even know how this happened. Okay, so the first game that I watched with Korea was against Ghana, and they lost that game, and I was devastated, you guys. I was so devastated. Number 9, beautiful. Like, look at the sun. Anyway, they lost that game. I don't know how I ended up watching that game, but I did. I watched it from the second half, and I was invested ever since. And so, knowing that they were going to play against Portugal, devastated. But I watched the game today because I knew when the game was. And you guys, edge of my seat the whole game. When they scored that second goal, I was on the floor, rolling, screaming, crying, all the things. Me, I don't watch soccer. I don't watch soccer, guys. I don't watch soccer. I've never watched soccer in my life. Even when South Africa hosted FIFA, I never watched soccer. So, I don't know how I got here, but I'm fully invested, and I hope Korea takes it all the way, because I will watch every single game. I'm so happy for them. Oh my gosh, you'll see that in the videos, because wow, that was insane. Okay, side note, actually no, period, next topic. I was supposed to edit videos in the time that I watched the game, but I had to see this game. This was the game. If they lost this one, they were going back home, and they were devastated after losing against Ghana. So I just had to see how it played out, and I'm like, I wouldn't change it for the world. Experiencing that live with them and the rest of the world was insane. I loved every single second of it, and I would do it over and over and over and over again, because that was amazing. But you can hear my voice is literally like about to check out. But anyway, I was supposed to edit videos in the time, so I was supposed to edit one video in the time span that I watched the game, and then I was supposed to edit another video in the load shedding time that we have now. But let me tell you my schedule, right? Tomorrow we are going to go visit the lady that used to do our hair. She bought a house like an hour away, and so she doesn't do our hair anymore, because realistically that's a 2-hour drive both ways, and it just doesn't make sense. So we found someone local, but we're going to go see her, because we're just gonna go see the house and just kind of visit her. That's happening tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, today's Friday. Tomorrow's Saturday, we're doing that. Sunday we have church. Monday we have our hair appointment. We're braiding our hair, all 4 of us that are going. We're going to Cape Town on Friday. We leave Friday morning. We're going to go braid our hair, all 4 of us, on Monday. Tuesday we have a pedicure appointment. My sister has a manicure appointment, and I have to fix up my nails on Tuesday because they're junky, even though I just did them. Don't want to talk about it, but this is what they look like. They're cute, not gonna lie. They're just not holding, so we need to figure out a solution. But that's happening on Tuesday, right? Between Wednesday and Thursday, we need to pack. I do not want to pack unless I have a complete outfit that I like, that I've worn. So basically like a lookbook, and I haven't done that. And since we have load shedding now, I'm supposed to edit a video, but I'm thinking I should do my lookbook now and get like other people's opinions, even though mine is the one that really matters. I'm gonna get other people's opinions, and at least then when I pack, I'm just putting those outfits into the bag. I already know what outfit I'm packing and all the accessories and everything like that, so it'll make my life easier on Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, I did get one thing done today. We went to my nephew's concert this morning. We were there at 8 a.m. We washed our hair. 1 second. And then we had a hair appointment right after, and then we were home. And when we got home, I filmed the Shein haul that I had waiting to be filmed. I filmed that. I did everything today, like the talking portion and the trying portion. So it's all done, it's all packed away. There's just a couple of things on my bed that I need to take care of, but I think now is a great time to do that lookbook. I have imported the footage into my software, and I think the main reason why I'm unable to edit and, you know, quickly get a video done is because my computer is so slow. It is quite an old computer. I'm working on getting a new one, but it takes me a lot longer to edit a video because it's such a slow system, and it's working with software that is way more advanced than it's able to keep up with. I'm struggling a little bit, but I'm making it work, and I think once I get a new laptop that can handle the software that I use to edit my videos, I think this whole experience of editing will be a lot more enjoyable, something that I don't dread. Quick side note, I showed this in the Shein haul that I did today, but anyway, it's this mini straightener from Safeway. I saw this at Clicks the other day and I thought it was the cutest thing in the world. So on holiday I'm gonna have braids, so I won't need this, but I mean, are you joking? Look at this. Are you kidding? Oh, it's so tiny, so bad. It comes in multiple different colors, and I paid 89 Rand for it. Lino, did you see this right now? No. Oh my! Exactly! Oh, it's so... Oh! It's literally too... Stop.
That's the one that they used on
their hair.
Yeah.
Yes! But like, it comes in so many different... It comes in purple, wow. It comes in blue. We just lost power, but I have this light source, and so I'm gonna do this lookbook because I need the stress of picking outfits to be gone. Morning, everyone. Today's Saturday. We are heading out. It's 11 o'clock. Actually, it's 25 minutes to 11. We're heading out. We're gonna be out for the day. Hopefully not too long, but yeah, as soon as we get home I need to edit because I'm behind and I am leaving. I'm gonna be out of town for like a week, and so I need stuff scheduled and ready to go for when I leave, and I don't have that edited yet. So as much as I've edited a little bit, I've lost a couple of days. Also, last night I had the best sleep I've had all week, and I don't know what it was. Maybe it was my pillow, but it was so good. Oh my gosh. So I feel great about that. Yesterday I didn't sleep well at all, and I woke up at 5 the next morning. Yeah, that's my little update. I was gonna bring it along, but I actually don't know anymore. I don't know. It's fine. Okay, that's it. Bye. Hi everyone. Today's Sunday. I meant to do my makeup with you this morning, but I completely forgot to put you up. And by the time I remembered, my eyes were done, my base was done, and I thought it would be pointless. But I already told you our agenda for this week. So tomorrow we're doing our hair. Hopefully we're not there all day. Korea's playing at 9. We have load shedding 6 to 8:30. I pray that doesn't change, because at 9 is the game. I have to watch it. I need to see if they make it through, and I'm rooting for them, so I hope they make it. If they don't, it's still fine because they made it this far, and I'm so proud of them. Oh my gosh. So I have to see. Tomorrow 9 o'clock they play against Brazil. I'm nervous, but if they make it, it's gonna be epic. So that's what's happening right now. We are up pretty early tomorrow, up at 5, same as today. Out of the house by 7. Today we were out of the house at 8:30. So it's a busy day tomorrow. and I have to cook. I don't know if I'll cook, I don't know. But I just thought I'd update you. I'm gonna I'm gonna get unready. I need more vlog content. I don't have enough to sustain the 3 times a week upload. So I need to vlog everything that I do, which is crazy. Otherwise I won't have enough content to actually edit 3 videos a week. So that's my dilemma right now. We are gonna get our suitcases and start packing those. Today's Monday, but because of how crazy this week is, I think gradual packing is necessary, and also it'll help so that we're not wearing the things that we want to wear in Cape Town. So I think I'm gonna pack, so maybe I'll vlog that. No, not maybe, I'm definitely gonna vlog that. I'm gonna vlog everything that we do this week except for our hair, because we're going to town to do our hair. So I'm not gonna vlog that. Hi everyone, so today's Tuesday. Went to go do our hair yesterday. My hair, it's a lot longer than I planned for it to be, but forward we move. We're going to go do our nails, toenails, and my sister's gonna do her hands. Yeah, I'm excited. Hi everyone, so today's Wednesday. We're about to go through all my outfits for Cape Town. I just want to know like what outfits I have, and so I'm gonna wear all the outfits, take photos, see which shoes match and everything like that, which jackets, all that good stuff. So we're basically doing like a lookbook. So yeah, let's do it. It's 1:23 right now. After we're done with the looks, I'm gonna go downstairs and have breakfast. Breakfast is, well, brunch I guess. I think I'm having waffles today. Belgian waffles with some maple syrup. That sounds really good. So let's do this really quickly.
With my feelings in my heart, yeah. I'm going back to the table, and all they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed.